realities, not just what I see. It's the world I paint inside of me. A story read, a movie song, can move my mind, can make me strong. So when I dream it clear, a vivid world already here. Imagination lights the way, it pulls tomorrow into today. I times V equals R. I is imagination, V is vividness, R is reality. That's the truth of who we are. See it, feel it, make it real, with every sense, with every seal. I times V equals R. Your future's closer than the stars. Live it now, don't wait too far. Imagination builds who you are.
The gap appears, it pulls me near. My place is there, not here. I hear that tension burns, becomes my fuel. The born energy seeks its way, where it will go. Vividness will say, if the new self-image stands so strong, it drives me to a brand new world where I belong. I times V equals R. I is imagination, V is vividness, R is reality. That's the truth of who we are. See it, feel it, make it real, with every sense, with every zeal. I times V equals R. Your future's closer than the stars. Live it now, don't wait too far. Imagination builds who you are. First person view, I'm in the scene. Not someday, but now I dream. I don't admire from afar, I take their strength, it's who we are. With vivid colors, with emotion, the future moves, a living notion. I breathe it in, it feels so near. The world I want is already here. I times V equals R. I is imagination, V is vividness, R is reality.
That's the truth of who we are. See it, feel it, make it real, with every sense, with every zeal.
imagination is everything. It's the dream you hold so tight. At times V equals R will show. The future's here, just let it grow.